Detection of partial discharges. Electrical systems need to be both safe and reliable. Defects on insulators, switches, or fuses can have catastrophic effects. In order to prevent this, Sonotec has developed the Sonaphone. The innovative ultrasonic testing device helps user detect damage in good time, increase safety, and thereby prevent system failures. Here's how it works. If production errors occur or if there are signs of wear, this can impair the insulation properties. This can lead to partial electrical discharges, such as corona, tracking, or electric arcs. The friction in the air that occurs as a result of these phenomena creates ultrasound. This is not perceptible to humans, but can be made visible and audible thanks to the Sonaphone ultrasonic testing device. The dangerous defects can be detected in good time using the Sonaphone and can also be reliably identified even at large distances. The innovative parabolic sensor BS30 and an app that has been specially developed for this application help make this possible. Simply connect to the device, put on the headphones, start the device, and get searching. The integrated target laser and the red dot sight make it easier to accurately locate the damage area up to a distance of 25 meters. The airborne sound sensor BS10 is used to detect errors at close range, such as on control cabinets. Once the damage area has been detected and the signal recorded, another benefit of the broadband technology with a working range of 20 to 100 kHz becomes apparent. The recorded defect is not only audible for the tester, but it is also visible in the spectrogram on the display. This allows for errors to be identified quickly, so that the necessary repair measures can be initiated. The tester then adds photos, comments, and voice memos relating to the detected damage area before continuing with the search. Laborious paper records are a thing of the past with Sonaphone. With just a few clicks, the service engineer can create a PDF report relating to the testing procedure, which is concise and clearly structured for all involved parties. Alternatively, the data can be evaluated using the Data Viewer PC software for the Sonaphone. Increase safety for your company with the Sonaphone, the ultrasonic testing device for the maintenance of the future.